Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap. Last week, I didn't get to put out many videos as I was just quite busy in and out of the office on both occasions. But yesterday was a holiday. Let's get right into it. Today is Tuesday, May 31st, just after the New York close here, last day of the month. Oil opened gap up from its close yesterday. Even though it was a holiday yesterday, it was open half day. Not a lot of participation. We obviously weren't here to trade in that as well, but it opened up around 119.18, had an initial sell-off where they found support. Buyers rallied, and then they did not see this high again as the sellers stepped in and brought this market down, way down here where we closed lower than yesterday. So we are by default net down. Gold opened below its Monday range as well, had initial selling as well, came back up, hit that edge. That is given to our students the night before. Yes, these HVAs, high volume areas, are given to our students the night before the next trading endeavor, and gold too started to melt down, giving several opportunities as well. So it also is closing that down for the day. And our equities, the ES, opened below yesterday's close. Again, yesterday was a holiday, very little participation. Nonetheless, still opened below it. And we had initial selling at the beginning and had quite a bit of participation, sellers stepping in, and then had some good back and forth with those buyers rallying. You can see the response at these levels of the HVA. Again, these levels are given out the night before, and the buyers rallied. And then we got to lunch. They made some new highs for the day, kept pushing it, getting it higher. You'll see they make quite a few new highs, and then towards the end of the day, you got the sellers stepping in here. Sellers definitely don't take it as low as the low of the day, but they did make quite a bit of progress bringing that market back down. And ultimately, even after that huge move here, the sellers still stepped in with the 10 minutes to go, and we are closing net down for the day in the ES. Similar story in the Nasdaq here. Many opportunities yet again. Once more, opening inside of the range from yesterday and Friday. Below the close, sellers immediately hitting that pedal to bring it down. Huge movement down in the NAS, and they just kept moving it down. There were some rallies, found a little bit of a floor, and they rallied pretty well up to the opening, finally getting above it just before lunch here, and then beyond. But tremendous support and resistance at those levels that once again were given out the night before. As you can see, sellers stepping in heavily around that 250 mark, and ultimately cannot capitalize on making any new highs after that. So we did finish net down in the equities compared to yesterday's close. It was decently choppy, not terrible. Some good sideways movements, but for the most part, it was a decent day. Plenty of opportunities that I saw. If you're interested in finding out more information about these HVAs, high volume areas that are on the charts that are given to our students each night before the next day's trading endeavors, feel free to reach out to us. Or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures in general, again, feel free to reach out to us. You can find us online at targettradingacademy.com or find our page on Facebook. Get in touch with a representative at either location, and they'll be able to show you what we do in our rooms each day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.